Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Java strings, class number 15. So in this class, I will talking about more details strings. So we have 5 point. Number one, you see this is string length and more string method, finding character string, string concatenation and addition number string. Okay. So let's check out on NetBeans. So first of all, you need to take a string data type after you take a variable name and then variable value. Okay, so now let's see string. So you should know that string first letter should be capitalized. Okay, then variable I want to take tx dot, sorry, is not dot, equal to double quotation, and what do you type here? Unicoder Academy. Okay, and then semicolon. Now let's print this statement. System.out.println, then parenthesis, then what do you type here? Okay, text. Let's check out. Well, you see, I got the result Unicoder Academy, which I include here before. Okay, so now I understand you. So this is a string data type. Okay, and this is variable, and this is variable value, and this variable I have printed. Okay, and ultimately I have got a result. Okay, so if you want to know how much here the word, if you want to know length, then you can do also. So what will you do for this? You just txt dot length, just you type here length, lenht length, then parenthesis. Okay, then let's check out how many word is here. Okay, so you see the 16 word is here with null. Okay, so I think you got it, string length. Okay, if you remove this null, then yes, you can see it will be 15. Yes, it's 15. Okay, if you add here more, then you can also know from this system. Okay, so now we are going to know that string method. Okay, so you know that the string have a two method. So number one is two uppercase and two lowercase. So now let's see. So first of all, I include here just where is the Unicoder? Okay, and here just I include, here we add two uppercase. Okay, so we need another line, just I copy this line. So we have a shortcut, Control Shift, just to hold and down arrow. Okay, then here I type lowercase. Okay, lowercase, sorry, case. Okay, so we have a two method. Now let's check out. Okay, you can see this is uppercase and this is lowercase, but I don't type here uppercase. Just this statement converts uppercase and this statement convert lowercase. Okay, so now we're going to finding character string. For example, I have a Unicoder Academy by Raihan Khan. Okay, I want to know the Raihan of position and Raihan of number. Where is a word? Okay, so what are we doing here? Just I delete this one, and here I just type index of. Now we're mention which word we are going to find. I want to going to I want to find a Raihan. Okay, here Raihan. Okay, so it's maybe wrong. You should be use capitalize of the first letter. Okay, now let's check out. Well, as you can see, this is 20 per number position in this Raihan word. Okay, so I think you got it. If you want to find a Khan, then you can do it. If you want to find a academy, then you can do it. Just input here academy. Okay, then let's check out. Well, here you 9 number of academy is start. So now let's count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, then this is a start. Okay, that's why this is 9 after this statement is start. Okay, so now let's see concatenation. So string concatenation is add 2 numbers. Okay, let's see. String first name Unicoder, and we have string last name academy. Let's go to printout. I use a shortcut SOUT, then okay, and here first we have first name plus. Okay, so here notice that we have a null characters. I mean the null. So it was the concatenation format. Now let's check out. Well, you can see this is Unicoder Academy. Okay, so how is possible that? Okay, you see, just concatenation your both of numbers, or it's a triple or fourfold, it doesn't matter. Just it's do lot of number is connected. Okay, if you remove the space, you can notice here this space also going remove. Well, you see there is no space because I have removed from this space. So I think you got it. It was the string concatenation. Okay, we have last one adding numbers and string. Okay, both of number you can add or it's like a string. Okay, so now let's delete it. We have by default integer a equal to 10 and integer b equal to 20, integer c equal to a plus b, and we have SOUT, we have print c. Okay, you see the result is 13, 10 and 20, 13. But now I want to add 10 and 20. Okay, so what will happen here? Just add this one and this one also 20. Okay, you need to change data type. So here you see string, and you have also changed data type string. Okay, and here also change a string. Well, oh sorry, I have mistake. Okay, I think you got it. This is, I just changed data type. So now let's, what happened here? Okay, Okay, you see 10 and 20, just it's printed like a string. Okay, so this video is enough for today. See you the next video. Keep practicing. Have a good day.